Hi, this is George from Point Blank Range, and what I've got here is I've got the brand new Glock 43. It just came here to our location here in South Charlotte. We've got one up in Mooresville, and these are now in our range rental programs, so you can try it out. But I'm going to try it out first. Let's see how it shoots. You know, it shot really well. For being a subcompact, being real small, being really narrow for concealed carry, this is you know, ideal for concealed carry from Glock. It's a step up from the 42, which is their 380, so it's a little bit larger. Fits the hand a lot better with the magazine with a little bit of a finger rest. You know, I can get you know, most of my pinky finger on it, so it's very comfortable to hold on to. The felt recoil, a little bit snappier than a 42, but you know what? Very, very controllable. Not uncomfortable to shoot at all. The trigger, typical Glock, it felt like that normal Glock 5.5 pound trigger pull. Typical sights with the white box and a white front up front. Very good. If you're a Glock fan or you're looking for something for deep concealment, everyday carry, this is a great option. Why don't you come in to Point Blank Range, try it out for yourself, and see if it's right for you.